Okay, welcome you to the final test. So today we have 10 minutes for our test. Part 1, I have some questions for you. Number 1, what's your name?
My name is Mayan.
How old are you, Mayan?
I'm 7 years old.
Edison, I'm 7 years old.
I'm 7 years old.
What class are you in?
I am in class 2B.
Yes, what school do you go to?
I go to Anvi Primary School.
I go to Anvi Primary School.
I go to Anvi Primary School.
What can you do?
I can swim.
What color do you like?
I like yellow and red.
Have you got a pet?
Yes, I have. I have a cat.
What's the name of your pet?
I am Titi.
His name is.
His name is Titi.
Now next topic, singular or plural nouns. What is the plural form of toy?
A.
A is correct, okay. What is the plural form of baby?
B.
Yes. What is the plural form of candy?
B.
B is correct. Change the sentences into the plural. That car is new. Let's choose the correct answer, A or B. A. No.
B.
B is correct. This ship is noisy. This ship is noisy.
B.
B is incorrect. No.
A.
Yes, A. That man has a car. A or B?
B.
Okay, B is correct. Look at the picture and answer for the question. How many school bags are there?
There is one school bag.
Yes. How many pencils are there?
There are 3 pencils.
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 How many balloons are there?
There are 6 balloons.
How many chairs are there?
There is 1 chair.
Hmm?
There is 1 chair.
Chair, not chairs, okay? How many pencil cases are there?
There is 1 pencil case.
Pencil case. How many books are there?
There are 5 books.
Books. How many erasers are there?
There is 1 eraser.
How many scissors are there?
There are 3.
Three? Really? 3, 1? Now, let's answer again. How many scissors are there?
There are 2 erasers.
There are 2 erasers. No erasers. Scissors.
Scissors.
Complete with a or an before the word please.
A fish. An apple.
Yes.
A car.
Very good.
An hour.
Now an hour.
An hour. a brain,
Yes.
an orange, alligator,
Or
an alligator, a
uniform.
uniform,
Topic verb to be. Let's fill in the blanks.
is Jenny is a nurse.
Is a noun. Nurse.
Nurse. I am from Vietnam.
Yes, correct.
We are friends.
Correct.
It is a sunny day.
Very good.
Is she your sister?
Correct.
They are in the classroom.
Okay.
I am a student. Is she hungry? Yes, she is.
No. Is she hungry? Yes, she is.
Is she hungry? Yes, she is.
Next topic, demonstrative pronouns. Fill in the blanks, this, that, these, and those.
What is this?
Correct. What is?
What is this?
What is? What is? What is that? What are?
What are those?
What are?
What are those?
No, what are these?
What are these?
Next, what are?
What are these?
Yes, what are?
What are those?
Okay, what is?
What is? What is this?
What is?
What is this?
No, what is that?
What is that?
What is?
What is this?
Yes, correct. Now, topic abilities, can or can't. The picture tick, you say yes, and picture cross, you say no, okay? Can he swim in the sea?
Yes, he can.
Okay, correct. Can they dive under the sea?
No, he can't.
No, they can't.
No, they can't.
Can he ride a bike?
Yes, he can.
Can he drive a car?
Yes, he can.
Can they sing English songs?
No. No, she can't.
No, they can't.
No, they can't.
Can she dance on the stage?
Yeah, she can't.
Yes, she can.
Yes, she can't.
No, can't.
Yes,
Can.
she can.
Can he write the lessons?
No, they can't.
They.
No,
Can
they,
he write the lessons?
no, he can't.
No, he can't.
No, he can't.
Now, Mai, let's talk about your favorite pets.
Hello, my name is Hoài Anh. I'm 7 years old. I'm from Vietnam. So topic
Today.
today topic about the
So today I'm going to talk about
I'm today going to talk about
my favorites.
my favorite pet. His name is Chi. I am 1 year old.
She is 1 year old.
She is 1 year old. I am Kitty.
She has
She has sleep. She has two ears.
yes.
She has one nose.
Okay.
She has
She has
has two eyes.
She likes
She like sleepy.
play with a ball.
A boy.
What else? Okay, you finish your test. Thank you. Goodbye.